So we are celebrating our 28th year, and I wanted to bring you some fabrics that would work well with the new patterns, our anniversary patterns. And so we're going to start with, this is a viscose, has stretch in both directions. It's a viscose, got a little tiny bit of poly lycra, but just a little tiny bit, and it's lime. And what I'm noticing is so many of the colors for spring go with this lime. Look at them all. They all go. So I put this up because it's a real cross of so many great colors that go with it. So anyway, that's the first one then. And they're starting at $14.99 and they're all different prices. Here we have a beautiful print. This is a viscose. Again, a little bit of lycra, but very little bit. All the different colors. It's a black background. And it is pretty. It's beautiful print. Really pretty. And of course, this one goes with all the prints too. So I thought I'd put this whole collection because they're just really nice. This is 100% viscose. It's like a Pontoroma weight, similar to the lime. Stretches in both directions. Beautiful fabric, perfect for that yoga pant. Just going to be great. This print, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is viscose as well, stretch in both directions. All of these have stretch in both directions, and they're viscose. This one is an Armani, and this one is not $14.99. It's only sold in 2-yard quantities because we only have two 2-yard quantities left. Is all we have left from the other night. But anyway, this is an Armani. This is a woven. It's a beautiful viscose. It's got great drape. I put it in here because this blue is so beautiful, and you can do a yoga pant in a woven. You just have to adjust your size and go up in size, and it will pull on. And especially if you don't have much rear end and a thicker tummy, you can just pull it right on, and you don't even need a knit when you use a yoga pant. But anyway, so I wanted to put that in there because the color is so pretty. And then we have this beautiful blue, and it goes kind of blue feathers, I'm going to call it. Blue leaves, not feathers. They're kind of blue tropicals, but you can see it goes with all the other colors also. All right, so that's Thursday. We've got great new patterns, new fabric. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.